So my name is Parth Sharma and my registration number is 19 BCE 0761. This video is related to the lab assessment of my subject Information Security Analysis and Audit, and my lab slots are L9 and L10. So in this video I'll be demonstrating a software which is used for scanning vulnerabilities in websites. Its name is Vega. It's an open source software which is used by many web developers to scan what uh, potential threats there might be posed on their website. So yeah, it provides us with a graphic user interface which has two modes, scanner and proxy. Scanner basically shows us while scanning what type of threats there are. It basically divides the threats into three categories: high, medium, and low. And it also gives some information about those threats. And proxy contains of all the requests and responses we have sent and the website, the software has sent to the website while the scanning process is going on to scan the vulnerabilities that might be posed. So here we, in the preferences, we get to select if we want to enable the SOX proxy, and if we do, then we get to choose the proxy address and proxy port. And there are two more options, proxy and scanner. Here in scanner mode, we also get to select all these options, and we also get to select the number of requests we can send. We need to send to the website while scanning. So the lower the number of requests sent per second is and the higher the amount of time the website will take to complete the scan. So let's start a new scan. We get to choose if we want to enter a base URL or choose a target scope for scan. So let's choose this website. Now here we get to select all the modules we need to run, all the checks which we want in our scan. And there are many, there's a big list of these, like if the developer or if any user wants to check if all if there's a bind path injection check, and if they want to include HTTP trace probes, etc., they can select these options. And yeah, let's finish. So it will take some time, probably 1 to 2 minutes for the scan to complete. So, as I said earlier, Vega is a free and open source web security scanner, and it's a web security testing platform basically to test the security of web applications. Like Vega can help us find and validate like SQL injections, like we saw earlier, and cross-site scripting, and like disclose sensitive information also, which might be present on the website by mistake, and yeah, like and many other vulnerabilities. It is written in Java, so and is GUI based, as we can see. So we need to install Java runtime environment first, which I have already installed in my laptop. So since I have a Java runtime environment, Vega software can run easily, and it's present for all operating systems: Windows, Mac, Linux. Now Vega also helps us identify vulnerabilities like reflected cross-site scripting, and like blind SQL, and it also probes for TLS and SSL settings and identifies all the opportunities for improving the security of the TSL servers. It was developed by Subgraph. It's a company called Subgraph, and it provides us with the facility of automated scanner, intercepted proxy, and a proxy scanner, as we can see. The main thing is this is GUI based, so users can easily detect all the vulnerabilities without stressing much on command line. So like yeah, we can see here we have found one high cross-site scripting, four medium threads, one high thread, four medium threads, forward secrecy not prioritized, and local file system paths found. And it also detected form password field with autocomplete enabled. Now, while this is running, let's go to proxy and see what the requests we have made and what response we got. It's highlighted here, domain wonderhowto.com. We get a response which is here. Let's get back to the scanner. It's almost complete. All the detection modules in Vega are written in JavaScript, and it's easy to create attack modules using the API which is exposed by Vega. Now it's scanned, it's auditing right now. It's completed. So we get scan alerts here. With it's an automated scanner. Let's just hit the drop down. Here we get the website we just scanned, and let's go to the high threat we just scanned. So here it's cross-site scripting, and we can see all the information about the threat. It also provides links to what the threat actually is, like the Wikipedia link, etc. And so that the user gets an idea what threat is posed on their website. We can also see the request body and the response we got. So it highlights all the threats, all the areas which are the reason why it considers as threats. Like here, all these areas are highlighted in the body, and it also we can also see the request which was made, and here we get the list of all the requests. We can also toggle into all the other threads which we scanned. So yeah, that's basically it. That's it for Vega cross-site scripting platform. And yeah, thank you.